Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute crochet lion coaster. You will need yellow and orange, but you won't need much yarn. I used Aran weight acrylic. You will also need scissors, a 5.5mm hook and a tapestry needle. And finally, you will need a very small amount of black yarn to embroider the face. To start, we're going to use yellow to make a magic ring. Then we're going to chain 1 and do 6 single crochets into the ring. Once you've finished all 6, pull the yarn at the back tightly to close the circle. And that is the end of round 1. I decided to use a stitch marker and I'm just placing that on the last stitch. For round 2, we're going to do an increase in every single stitch, which is just 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. And we need to do this all the way around or until we have 12 stitches. When you reach the stitch marker, you'll know that you're at your last stitch of the round, so just remove it and then do one final increase. And once you've done that, make sure you don't forget to put it back. For round 3, we're going to do 1 single crochet and then an increase in the next stitch. And we're going to do this all the way around until we have 18 stitches. Round 4 is going to be 2 single crochets followed by an increase on the 3rd stitch. And after doing this all the way around, you should have 24 stitches. For round 5, we're going to do 3 single crochets followed by an increase. And at the end of this round, you should have 30 stitches. For the next 2 rows, we're just going to do single crochets all the way around. And this is how it should look. On the last stitch of row 7, we need to switch to orange. To do this, keep the 2 loops on your hook and pull through with orange. And then place the stitch marker back. From here we're done with yellow yarn, so you can go ahead and cut it off using scissors. Now using orange, we need to do one more round of single crochets. It should look a bit like this, and now we need to make the ruffles of the mane. We're going to start by doing 1 half double crochet, and then we're going to do 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch, and then a single crochet in the next. And now you just need to repeat that pattern all the way around. In the last stitch, we're going to do a slip stitch. And now to start the last round, we're going to chain 1. 1 single crochet, half double crochet in the next stitch, two half double crochets in the next stitch, another 2 half double crochets in the next, one half double crochet in the next, and then end with a single crochet in the next stitch. And we're just going to repeat this pattern all the way around. Once you've finished your 7th cluster, we need to do 3 single crochets. And then we're going to end it off with a slip stitch. And that is the base of the coaster complete. Now we need to cut the yarn and put it through the last loop. And now all that's left is to weave in the ends at the back. Once you've weaved in all the ends, it's time to block it. Blocking is just making the piece really wet, squeezing all the water out and leaving it in place to dry. For the ears, we're going to start with the slip knot. And then we're going to chain 5 stitches. Now we're going to skip the first stitch and do 4 single crochets. For the second row, we're going to chain 1. And then we're going to do 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then a single crochet at the end. Once you're done, you need to cut the yarn and pull it through the last loop. Repeat these steps again to get the second ear. Once you have both ears, weave in the shortest end. And then attach the yarn to a tapestry needle and sew the ears onto the base. Once the ears are on, it's time to add the face. To do this, attach a long piece of black yarn to a tapestry needle. I like to tie a knot at the end to make sure it's secure. And now, starting with the nose, I'm going to embroider the face. Now that all the features are done, I'm just weaving in the ends a bit so it's secure. And then I'm cutting it off. And now the coaster is complete. If you made this, then make sure to tag me on Instagram at Nocturne Knitting. And make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss another free tutorial. Thanks for watching!